and welcome back to the channel. So, in today's video, we're here at the National Ploughing Championships. Well, we're almost here. I don't know if you can see, but we're stuck in traffic. And we were about 5 kilometers away, so yeah, let's get into it. I don't know if you can see, but just up there is the rock of Dunmaze, and it looks pretty cool. So, just passing it. So now, we've just arrived here, and let's get into it.
Ploughing championships, they're parking roads and fields and lanes and the odd one on their ditch. When the rush is on from the crack of dawn, throwing the flask and wellies in the car, and then we spin the whole way into we don't know where we are. And that is why, oh, love to pack and head for the crack to the Ploughing championships, where we walk around and gobble down free food and bags of chips. Well, it is a good test, even for the best, so make sure you take time to sit. When you fill your backpack and you want to make it back, make sure you buy a stick. There's cars and tractors and diggers and trucks, and some do buy and some just look. The sheds and animals, houses and stalls, and new inventions that demonstrate all. There's music, food, bars and dance, and fun fair rides if you dare the chance. There's leaflet sweets, games and pies for all the big and small girls and boys. And that is why love to pack and head for the crack to the Ploughing championships, where we walk around and gobble down free food and bags of chips. Well, it is a good test, even for the best, so make sure you take time to sit. When you're working at this riddle, you can dance to a fit. Whoa!
So now I just got the picture with Marty Mone. There's his lorry there.
There's ones you drag and there's ones you lift. Well, the drive up and down to the field is brown along this treated test.
This is my farmer Phil here, and we're in front of his Sandwich butterfly mowers, 64.99, and it's Sunday's deal.
So make sure you take time to sit. When you fill your backpack and you want to make it back, make sure you buy a stick.